Okay, so I just came back from camping and I've put all my laundry in the tub. And you're probably like, well, why would she do that when she has a perfectly good washing machine? Well, so I've been asking the people downstairs to, take care of the washing machine, be respectful, clean it out and stuff like that. And I guess they use some Tide Pods, which they don't use the hot water so it doesn't melt. It doesn't disintegrate, and it gets caught where the drainage would go. So there's been issues with it. So I told my landlord, I said, it's not broken yet, but I keep good maintenance of it. And it's been having issues like saying error and stuff like that. So, excuse me. I said, screw it. I said, until they move out, I said, I'm just going to do my laundry. It's just me. There's not that many clothing. I'm just going to do my laundry in the tub, wash it, and then dry it, like hang dry. And then that got me thinking, do you remember back in the day when people used to wash either their clothes in the river or they used to wash their clothes on like there's almost like a board with ridges, washboard, and then there was other ways of cleaning as well, but they used to do the clothes separate, like it wasn't washed with a bunch of people's stuff. And it also got me thinking the whole idea that I spoke about before with how objects and certain items carry energy because our imprint goes on to certain things unless it's cleansed. Well, it got me thinking this whole time, the lady downstairs, every time I did my wash, okay, every time without question, she would do her laundry right after me. Even if she had already done her laundry, she would make sure that when I washed my clothes, that she washed hers right after mine. Now, when it comes to the child's psyche, the whole idea of one person wanting to like take another person's energy or something, what you believe, you know, it becomes a reality in a sense. So if she's doing this to just kind of like pick up on whatever energy of mine, okay, stay with me now. Hypothetically, if she's doing this, because there's no other reason to wash her clothes right after mine every single time, and I've been watching, right? I thought maybe it's just a coincidence, but no, every single time. So I've stopped using the washer till they move out. They said they wanted to move out, so I just do it in the tub now. And I thought it very funny that if that's what she's trying to do, like I said, hypothetically, if that's what she's trying to do, can you imagine when it comes to laundromats or places like buildings and stuff like that where they have a bunch of different washers, but everybody's washing their clothes with everybody else's? It's almost like a huge, giant what do you call that? Huge, giant energy exchange almost. Everybody's just exchanging everybody's energy in little bits by little bits. Hypothetically, if that were to be the case. Anyway, so I thought that was really interesting. I really don't have a problem doing my laundry in the tub. Like I said, it's just me, so there's not that many items. And then, they get a thorough clean as well because I'm using my own arm power. And then just letting them hang dry. So it also gives you an appreciation of what you have and the convenience that we're all given. I've been doing this with other things in my life as well, just kind of removing or holding back on something that's a luxury. And then when I do get to use it or I do get to enjoy it or something like that, I enjoy it even more. I have an appreciation. It's kind of like a self-discipline and a practice I've been doing with a lot of things so that I have more appreciation for what I have, because I don't think a lot of people do. And I don't think a lot of people are aware of how easy they do have it. Even if they feel like they're struggling, there's usually going to be another person that is struggling way worse, and they're more appreciative of what they have. So really keep that in mind when it comes to your own surroundings and your own setting, that even if you don't think you have very much, you have more than you think you do. We all are a part of the universe, and the universe is abundant. So therefore, we ourselves are abundant, and anything we think we are lacking, we already have. I know that sounds a little bit outrageous to some people that don't believe that sort of thing, but I believe it, and I am appreciative of what I have, and I will continue to be so, and I will continue to find ways to be more appreciative of what I have. So yeah, there's that. As far as the lady downstairs goes, I guess she won't be washing her clothes after me.